UGEE Pad Drawing Tablet. No computer needed. Have you ever dreamed of creating digital art without being tied to a desk? You're not alone. When we unboxed the UGEE Pad, its sleek design caught our eye. It's lightweight, only 6.95 millimeters thick, and weighs just 466 grams. The 10.36-inch screen is spacious yet compact, perfect for on-the-go creativity. The matte finish and rounded corners add to its appeal. It's designed for movement, whether at a cafe or outdoors. This isn't just a toy. It's a real tool for artists. The UGEE Pad boasts a 2K Ultra HD display with a 2000 by 1200 resolution. Lines are crisp, colors pop, and details are finely rendered. The fully laminated display ensures no lag between stylus and screen. It covers a 16.7 million color spectrum with NTSC greater than 72% coverage. TV Rhineland certified for low blue light. It's easy on the eyes during long sessions. The U-Pencil stylus is a standout feature. It supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The harder you press, the bolder the line. It's tilt sensitive for intuitive shading. With latency under 20 milliseconds, it keeps up with your thoughts. Accuracy is precise, with less than 0.5 millimeters margin of error. It's battery-free, so no charging is needed. Perfect for artists and note-takers alike. Inside, a 6nm Octa-Core processor with 6GB RAM powers the UGEE Pad. It has 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. It runs Android 14, offering a customizable interface. Download apps from the Play Store, use split-screen mode, and more. It's a creative workstation in a tablet form. The UGEE Pad's 7000 mAh battery lasts 8 to 10 hours. It supports 18W fast charging via USB-C. Perfect for long creative sessions or travel. No creativity cut short by a blinking battery icon. Despite being standalone, the UGEE Pad supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. USB-C ports allow data transfer and peripherals. Connect a keyboard, mouse, or stream to a monitor. Ideal for teachers and professionals. Who benefits from the UGEE Pad? Aspiring digital artists, professional illustrators, students, educators, content creators, and remote workers. It's a productivity tool disguised as an art tablet. Maximize your UGEE Pad experience. Customize shortcuts in art apps. Use layers-enabled apps for professional editing. Pair with Bluetooth accessories. Use a paper-like screen protector. Regularly back up files. Is the UGEE Pad worth it? Absolutely. For under $300, it offers performance, precision, and portability. It breaks down barriers between you and your ideas. It's a new era of creative freedom. No wires, no limitations. Just you and your ideas.